Good morning, students. In this video, we will be doing sums on parametric differentiation. I gave introduction of parametric differentiation in the last video. Let us do certain sums using parametric differentiation. In that first one that you need to know is, see here, find each of the following. For each of the following, find dy by dx I need to find in terms of given parameter. So x equal to how much is it given? 2t cube and y equal to t square minus 5. Listen to first sum carefully. It's x is given in terms of which letter? T. So you will be differentiating both sides with respect to 2t. Okay, so what do you get this side? Dx by dt, and on the other side 2 will come out. D by dt of t cube. So t cube differentiation is 3t square into d by dt of t. The d by dt of whatever letter you had here. So it is 6t square. Am I clear? Now same thing here. Y is present in which letter? T. So differentiate with respect to t. So add d by dt. So dy by dt equal to, this gets applied to this and also to this. So d by dt of t square minus d by dt of 5. Again for t square differentiation is 2t into d by dt of which letter you differentiated? T. So place that t here. Minus d by dt of 5 is 0, so place it 0 here. This gets cancelled, it's 2t. Am I clear? Now sum is not yet over. I have dx by dt and dy by dt. How can I make use these two to get dy by dx? See man, dy by dx can be written as dy by dt divided by dx by dt. Clear? How? Because dy by dt, this division if I change to multiplication, they switch. So it is dt by dx. Dt gets cancelled, dy by dx. Did you understand? I am just placing a letter between them. So this is the formula which you should know. This proof not required. But the formula if you know, it's enough. Dy by dx is nothing but dy by dt divided by dx by dt. If it is with respect to theta somewhere here, so theta parameter will come here. So now in this sum, how much is dy by dx equal to, dy by dt is 2t. So it is 2t by dx by dt is 6t square. So cancel 1 by 3, 1 by t. So 1 by 3t is the answer. Am I clear? Look at next sum. You need dy by dx. So the formula for dy by dx is dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So now here x equal to, in terms of t is there, so you need to differentiate with respect to t. So this remains like that only. And on the other side, e power x you will assume is e power x only. So minus t into d by dt of whatever you have assumed. So it becomes e power minus t into, this minus will come out. Then once minus has come out, it's only dt, they gets cancelled. So this is my dx by dt. Did you understand? Yeah, next here. Also t is there, so with respect to t I need to differentiate. So dy by dt equal to d by dt of e power t. This gets applied to each, minus d by dt of e power minus t. Now it's e power x, so e power t into d by dt of which letter you have t minus. Now e power minus t, this you will assume it to be x. So it's e power minus x only into d by dt of whatever letter minus t. Clear? So here it is only e power t, this gets cancelled. Now minus e power minus t. As we had here, here also the minus will come out, and that minus, this minus will become plus. So once minus is gone, dt is cancelled. So this is left out. Am I clear? So now dy by dx is nothing but dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So which is nothing but dy by dt is e power t plus e power minus t by minus e power minus t. Leave it like this, simplification we can see later. But did you understand? Look at next sum. You need to find dy by dx. X equal to 2 ln t plus 3, y equal to 4 e power t. What do you mean by parametric equation? Means x and y are both given in terms of a third letter. In this sum, the third letter is t. X and y are given in terms of some other letter called t. That's when we call them to be parametric equations. Clear? Now to find dy by dx, what is the formula that I have just told you? Dy by dx is nothing but dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So let us find each of them and place it here. So to get d by dt, I need to differentiate with respect to t. So dx by dt cannot be simplified, so leave it like that. 2 will come out. So 2 into d by dt of ln of t plus 3. Now it is of which form? Ln x. Ln x is 1 by x. So 1 by t plus 3 into d by dt of whatever letter you have it there, t plus 3. Okay. So it becomes now 2 by t plus 3. This applies to t. So it becomes dt by dt plus 3 is 0. D by dt of 3 is 0. This gets cancelled. So this is only my answer. Clear? Now, same thing here, you again d by dt on both sides. So dy by dt equal to 4 will come out. So 4 into d by dt of e power t. So it's again e power x form. E power x is e power x only into d by dt of whatever letter is there. So that is 4 e power t. Am I clear? So my dy by dx now is, dy by dt is how much I got? 4 e power t by dx by dt is 2 by t plus 3. 2 ones, 2 twos. This t plus 3 cannot go here, so it goes here. So your answer is 2 e power t into t plus 3. Am I clear? Let us see one more sum. Now let us see this sum. X equal to 2 theta minus sine 2 theta, y equal to 2 minus cos 2 theta. You need to find dy by dx. If it is in terms of letter t, then this formula. If it is in terms of theta, then dy by dx equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. Whatever letter is there, that comes here. If it is t, it is t. If it is theta, this is theta. That's it. Now I need to differentiate on both sides with respect to theta now. So place d by d theta on both sides. So what do I get now? Dx by d theta on this side equal to 2 will come out. It becomes d theta by d theta minus d by d theta of sine 2 theta. Here it's gone, so it's only 2 minus sine x is cos x, so cos 2 theta into d by d theta. This time d theta will come. Of which one? 2 theta. This 2 will come out. So 2 minus 2 cos 2 theta into. Once this 2 is gone, d theta gets cancelled. This is the answer. Clear? Now here again I need to differentiate with respect to theta. So d by d theta. So dy by d theta, d by d theta of 2 is 0. Now minus d by d theta of cos 2 theta is there. Again cos x form minus sin x, that minus this minus makes it plus sin 2 theta into d by d theta of which one? Of 2 theta. Now 2 will come out, and once 2 is gone, d theta is gone. Am I clear? So dy by dx is nothing but dy by d theta is 2 sin 2 theta by dx by d theta is 2 can be taken common. So 1 minus cos 2 theta. Cancel it out. This is the answer. Am I clear? How am I doing the sums of parametric differentiation? Look at next sum. X equal to cos 2 theta minus cos theta. Y equal to sin square theta. They are asking you to find dy by dx. It's in terms of theta. So dy by dx formula will be dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. Okay. So now on this side, I need to differentiate with respect to theta. So place d by d theta on both sides. Okay. So it is dx by d theta equal to, now this applies to each of it. So d by d theta of cos 2 theta minus d by d theta of cos theta. Now cos x is minus sin x. So minus sin 2 theta into d by d theta of 2 theta. Clear? Now again minus cos x is sin x minus sin x. So minus minus makes it plus sin theta into d by d theta of what letter you had here? Theta. This case it gets cancelled. Here minus sin 2 theta, 2 will come outside. Once 2 is no longer there, d theta is gone. Plus sin theta. This cannot be simplified further, so leave it here. Did you understand? Next. Y equal to sin square theta. On both sides, I need to differentiate with respect to theta. Fair enough? Now, dy by d theta equal to, this is of which form now? X it should be assumed. So x square is 2x. So I get 2 sin theta into d by d theta of sin theta. So it is 2 sin theta into, differentiation of sin theta is sin x or anything, cos theta into d by d theta of what letter you have here? Theta. So this is the answer. Am I clear? So dy by dx equal to dy by d theta this time divided by dx by d theta. So that becomes dy by d theta is 2 sin theta cos theta by dx by d theta is this one. So minus 2 sin 2 theta plus sin theta. Did you understand how am I doing? Look at this sum now. Y equal to 1 plus 2 sin square theta, y equal to 4 tan theta. It's in terms of theta. So my dy by dx equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. Clear this one? Now here I need to get dx by d theta. So I will differentiate with respect to theta. So dx by d theta equal to, when it's applied on 1 it is 0 plus 2 will come out, d by d theta of sin square theta. First you will assume it to be x. So what is x square differentiation? 2x. So 2x is sin theta into d by d theta of sin theta. Okay, so it is 4 sin theta into, differentiation of sin x is cos x into d by d theta of what letter you have here? Theta. So it gets cancelled. This is the answer. Am I clear? Now here dy by y equal to 4 tan theta. To get dy by d theta, I will differentiate d by d theta on both sides. So dy by d theta equal to 4 will come out. Differentiation of tan theta is secant square theta into d by d theta of what letter you have here? Theta. This and this gone. So this is itself is the answer. So our dy by dx equal to dy by d theta 4 secant square theta by dx by d theta 4 sin theta cos theta. Do till here, further simplification we'll learn later. Am I clear? In this video I made you clear with sums on parametric differentiation. Do these sums multiple times so that you become perfect in it. Okay. Thank you.